Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Start Read Win. In this video, we are going to see PH3201 Physics for Civil Engineering. Unit 2 Ventilation and Refrigeration. Important 2 marks with answers and 16 mark. Let's get into the video. Define ventilation. The ventilation is defined as the system which is used to mean the free passage of clean air in a structure. In other words, the removal of all vitiated air from a building and its replacement with fresh air is known as ventilation. Next question, what are the factors affecting ventilation? The factors affecting ventilation are air changes, humidity, quality of air, temperature, use of building. Next question, what are the types of ventilation? The system of ventilation are classified into two types: natural ventilation, mechanical or artificial ventilation. Next question, classify the methods of the artificial ventilation. Following are the 5 methods of the artificial ventilation: exhaust system, supply system, combination of exhaust and supply system, plenum process, air conditioning. Next question, what is ventilation flow? The ventilation flow is needed to remove a given amount of heat from a building can be calculated if the quantity of heat to be removed and the average indoor-outdoor temperature difference are known. P is equal into Q by Cp of T0 minus Ti, where V is the ventilation rate, Q is the total heat gain in a space, Cp is the average specific heat, To minus Ti is temperature rise of increasing incoming air. 23. State infiltration. Infiltration states that the random flow of air through unintentional opening driven by wind and the difference in pressure. Infiltration is balanced by an equal amount of exfiltration. Since there is no net storage of air in a building, label the principles of air conditioning. An air conditioner continuously draws an air from an indoor space to be cooled and cools it by the refrigeration principles and discharges it back into the same indoor space that needs to be cooled. Such continuous cyclic process of drawl, cooling and recirculation of a cooled air keeps the indoor space at a required lower temperature for the desired purpose. What is packaged air conditioner? Packaged air conditioner is a self-contained unit primarily for floor mounting, designed to provide conditioned air to the space to be conditioned. What is chilled water plant? Chilled water is extensively used as a secondary refrigerant in large commercial, institutional and industrial premises to make cooling available over a large area. Write about cooling load. Cooling load is the total heat required to be removed from the space in order to bring it to the desired temperature by air conditioning and refrigerating equipment. Label the principle of smoke detector. A smoke detector is a device that senses smoke, typically as an indicator of fire. Commercial security devices issue a signal to a fire alarm control panel as a part of fire alarm system. The household smoke detector, are also known as smoke alarm, generally issue a local audible or visual alarm from the detector itself. Part B, 16 marks. Discuss principles of natural ventilation, ventilation measurement and design for natural ventilation. Second one, describe the construction and working of window air conditioner. Third one, discuss different types of air conditioning system for buildings. Fourth one, what are the common causes of AC fire? What are the steps to be taken to prevent the fires?